cage of birds. Mystery Babylon, Jerusalem, the cage of unclean birds. In the prophecy, it foretells about Jerusalem being a cage of birds. And Jeremiah also talked about this, that the people in Jerusalem would be snares for birds. Jeremiah chapter 5, 26 and 27. For among my people are found wicked men. They lay wait as he that setteth snares. They set a trap, they catch men. As a cage is full of birds, so are their houses full of deceit. Therefore they are become great and waxen rich. And looking to this, we see that this is talking about Jerusalem being a cage full of birds in the prophecy of Jeremiah. And Jerusalem in the end, where the beast is going to be ruling from, is a cage of unclean birds. Revelation chapter 16 verse 13 and verse 14 says, And I saw 3 unclean spirits like frogs come out of the mouth of the dragon, and out of the mouth of the beast, and out of the mouth of the false prophet. For they are the spirits of devils working miracles, which go forth into the kings of the earth and of the whole world to gather them to battle of that great day of God Almighty. So we see Jerusalem being a snare with the devil and his unclean spirits and unclean people and their unclean birds in their houses, just like Jeremiah, that is listed within the prophecy of Revelation. Revelation chapter 18 verse 2, when the beast captures Jerusalem, we see that it falls like Babylon, and Jerusalem is sacked, and it's propped up like Babylon. And we see it says, And he cried mightily with a strong voice, saying, Babylon the great is fallen, and is become a habitation of devils, and the hold of every foul spirit, and a cage of every unclean and hateful bird. So we see that Jerusalem is the habitation of devils. And these are the devils that are mentioned here in Revelation chapter 16, 13, and 14, where it says, I saw 3 unclean spirits like frogs come out of the mouth of the dragon, out of the mouth of the beast, out of the mouth of the false prophet. And where are they at? They're at Jerusalem. The beast is ruling from Jerusalem. And what are these unclean spirits? Verse 14, For they are the spirits of devils. And this is why it becomes a habitation of devils in the book of Revelation chapter 18 verse 2. And Jerusalem being captive, like as a trap to catch men, is also the hold of every foul spirit and a cage of every unclean and hateful bird. Because Jerusalem is Mystery Babylon in the end times, and this is how the prophecy will be fulfilled. And this is the prophecy of the cage of birds.